Okay, so let's do a small recap like what. Okay, that object is already created, so we'll do get accessment. Okay, so this is the to display front end, we'll call first this one to display what set of question answer we have, and this post assessment is there. So question and what is the answer? Like user will use. So whenever user will submit their answer, so this will be recorded. Okay. Assessment detail. So here for this user, these two are user. For this user, for question one, he answered this. For question two, he answered this. Okay, this is the record of their assessment. Now there will be one more API that will be assessment report. So what that API will do? Okay, that API will call assessment detail and this assessment record. It will call both the API and it will create a report that how many answer he answered correctly. Okay, so for that, let's understand first flow and other diagram. This is get and this is post, and one will be assessment report. For that, we don't need system API and we need only process API. Okay, so why we need process API? Let me explain you through diagram. You can use here only. So this will be assessment report API. So XP API will be there. Then process API will be there. And to generate report, we don't need to call Salesforce again. Means we don't need to create another system API. So this will call this system API. Okay. And this system API. It will not call create new system API to get this set of question answer and what he answered. Okay. So what he answered, he will get from. Okay, get assessment SAPI. 1 minute. This is to post. Okay, he need one system API, sorry. So we need one system API. Here we are posting, but to get this, we need system API. So for this process API, we will call this system API and this system API. These two system API need to be called. Everyone clear? So from here, we will get set of question, answer and option. And here we will get what answer I miss that particular user has given. And then we will calculate how many answers are correct. And then based on that report will be generated. Everyone clear with this or not?
Ravi,
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
can you hear me?
Yes.
Um, so why is this post method we are using here in
This
assessment
one.
report?
So when,
Report.
yeah, this one is to create, to submit my answer. Whenever I will select, I will go to assessment page. I will fill my
Mm-hmm.
answer and I will submit. So this post one will go there in Salesforce and it will create that record like what, for which question, what answer I submitted. But to generate
Okay.
report, I need to retrieve all these details. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this will be get here.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I was confused. Thank you so much.
I think we don't need system API for this one. If we call the system API from post and gate, we can get everything. Why we need the system API here?
Post, yeah, post will only create record. It will not retrieve the record.
Yeah, you will call at the same time the gate also.
This one,
Yeah, if you call at the same time by using scatter gather or any logic from the process API, if you call the gate and the post, you will get all the information from these two API. You don't have to add another third
we should not
external.
design like this. No. We should not design like this. Means if we want to call you want to pass operation, that is not good reason. We need to create separate API. Okay, for retrieve we should have separate API. For create we should have separate API. Otherwise we can, for everything we can make single API only. Na? Why we need for, if we want for these three we can put pass some operation, and based on that I can like put the choice condition, and based on that I can call this system API. So for everything we can create one API only, but we are breaking this to make it more reusable. Okay, so here
Ravi, I have one question. So
yes, tell me.
Ravi, actually, so we are using the existing system API, right? So to get the number of questions, first point, right? And
We
second,
are, yes,
yeah,
yeah. First,
yeah.
we see to generate report what we need. We need question and their answer, and we need what that user answered.
User answered in the sense it was stored in the database, right?
Yes.
Okay. So my doubt is like the third one, right? The new API which we created, right? System API. That is actually we will pass that get method. We will pass some input to validate, right? Whether it is in a correct answer, um, it was updated or not, right? So we were actually what as of now in the first two APIs are like, one is with storing into the database, one is with the getting in all the questions with the help of assessment, get assessments. One is with storing it into the database, right? Post assessment is storing it into the database. And
Yes.
the third one is to we will be generating the report including the question and answer. So here in the third, we need to pass the answer as an input, right? Maybe through URI parameters or maybe header or something, right?
So what it will do, this post will call these two API. This system API, this system API. System API will return for that user what he answered, and this system API will return what is correct answer. Okay, if user answer whatever user answered that is correct answer, then he will get point, and if that is incorrect, then he will not get point.
Okay, so this would be the case. First, it will connect to the new API which we created, right? So after that, it was validated to the existing API, existing system API.
Okay, I'm not sure what you are saying, but here try to
One thing
understand.
is whatever the API system API we created, right? Get assessment / reports.
Yeah.
So
Get
that will be
assessment,
fed in
what
the
it
first.
will give, it will do, it will fetch all these set of question, answer, question, option, and answer. This question, options, and correct answer. This will give. This API, this set of API is creating what user submitted. So I am user, I logged in app, and then I created, means I submitted question answer and it got recorded in data Salesforce. Okay, now I want to generate a report for that user. So what I will do, this API will give me what user answered, but I don't know correct answer. So from where I will get correct answer? I will get from this API. Okay, so I need to call this API also, this API also. Now what user answered and what is correct answer, based on that we will see how many answer he answered correctly, and based on that report will be generated.
Okay. Oh, okay. The correct answers, how we can store in the Salesforce database record itself will store the correct answer.
You should follow our class now. So that we already means completed this API and we tested also. So here if you go, so this is the question. Okay, this is the answer, this is the option, and this is the correct answer.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that is our first API. We already worked on this. Okay, fine. So let's start with this API to generate report, or what I can do. Not sure I should give this API to you guys or not. Since we have list of API, so 20% API you need to do as a assignment also. So should I keep this API as a assignment?
Yeah, Ravi. I mean, just guide us how to do that so that we'll try. And also, Ravi, can you go back to that Salesforce once again?
Salesforce again. Okay.
So here only we have all the details, right? Here only we have question, option, and answer, right?
Yes, correct answer.
So from here only we can create it, right?
From here,
Yeah.
here is correct answer for not for user. Okay, this is correct answer for this question. What user answered, for that we need another API. So what
Okay.
user
Okay.
answered we have recorded here. Okay, this is user, what user answered we recorded here. Now to generate report, we need to retrieve first. Okay, to retrieve first we need get API.
Okay. Now I got that. I got that. Thank you, Ravi.
Is it clear for everyone or not?
So
Yeah.
Ravi,
Hmm.
so to get the assessment report, so some kind of comparison must go into the backend.
Comparison result. Yes, first we are retrieving both the thing.
Mm-hmm.
First
Okay.
we will retrieve both the thing, then yes, we will do comparison.
Okay.
To make comparison, we need to retrieve what
Mm-hmm.
is correct answer and what user answered.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, and today actually I will take 30-minute break, not now. Maybe after 30 minutes I have something urgent. So yeah, meanwhile, let's continue. Okay, so third API, what I can do, let me think. This is not very complex API, but let me think, should I give to you guys or I should develop? Okay, let me develop this API. So we will have lots of API. So I will give other API, other set of API as assignment. Okay. Let me stop this recording and start new.